A recipe that costs less than $1 and doesn't require fancy equipment is one that everyone should learn. So to make our Italian meringue buttercream, we're going to separate 2 egg whites from 2 eggs. We first separate or we crack the egg into a bowl to make sure we don't get a bad egg. After that, we toss the whites into the mixing bowl, put the yolks aside. To this, we're going to add just 1 teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of salt is also a third of a tablespoon. We're going to put that aside. Then to our saucepan, we'll add 3/4 cup sugar, add a little bit of water to cover it. Then we're going to cook it till it's almost caramelized. So whilst that is happening, we're going to work on our buttercream. So to our egg white and salt mixture, we added 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're going to whisk it till it's fluffy. So keep on whisking, keep on whisking. It does take some time, and also if you get a very good mixing bowl which is quite round, unlike what I'm using, it is probably going to whip up even faster. So we are almost at the stiff peak stage. So at this point, you want to take your sugar syrup from the fire. When it's almost about to caramelize, it's almost about to brown. That is when you pour it. I've realized that when you pour it too early, sometimes your buttercream would never set, it would never firm up. It would be running. But when it's almost about to caramelize and you pour it, it stiffens the egg white mixture very well. It makes everything stiff. It takes you to that stiff peak stage that you want for a meringue. So we've gotten to this point. You can use the meringue this way if you don't want to add any margarine to it. But since you're making Italian meringue buttercream, we're going to add 225 grams of margarine. So you add it a little at a time. But one thing you're going to realize is when you start adding the margarine, the meringue would start to deflate a little. Don't worry, that is fine. Keep on adding. Make sure that you add all of the margarine so everything is incorporated. But you add it not all at once, but bit by bit. So we're still adding our margarine, and you realize that the um, buttercream would start to look green, or it might look grainy at some point, or it might look a bit soupy. Don't worry. If you follow this recipe very well, just keep on whipping and it will turn out smooth. So since I was making a milky Italian meringue, I added 2/3 of milk powder. I didn't use a non-dairy milk powder. I used the full fat milk powder, 2/3. And I added 5 ml of vanilla essence, vanilla. Yes, vanilla essence, not extract. This isn't extract, this essence. Then 5 milliliters of butter essence. Whip that all. Just mix it together to make sure everything is uniform. Then we go to our cake board. But this is something I was just eating at home. It wasn't something that was being served to a client. So you put your cake on your board, take the Italian meringue frosting and spread it onto your cake. So I was going for a simple design for this cake. I decided to just smear or spread it on the top then, or scoop the meringue onto the top of the cake and spread it out using the back of a spoon. This is a great tool you can use. By that I mean a spoon, to decorate your cakes. You don't have an offset. Oh, sorry. You don't have an offset spatula. or you don't have any of those equipment bakers use, you can use this to decorate your cake. And I think this recipe is one that everyone can try, whether you are new to baking, whether you've been baking for long. It's so simple. I'm sure I did a good job at explaining. So if you get a chance to try this recipe out, please don't forget to tag me in it, or don't forget to mention me. And also don't forget to comment, hit the subscribe button, please do like and share. So after spreading some buttercream on top, I decided to add a little bit of bitter cocoa powder to the side, add a handful of mixed fruit, and I decided to use some tweezers to try and adjust because I was working on camera. Now that's the 360 of the cake with the buttercream. And doesn't she look lovely? Thank you for watching, and please do return.